Alright, one of the two quads I tried to fly had too many problems. So, jump into the Walksnail. I really hope I got enough conformal coating on this build. If I crash in the snow. Oh wow. What? Is that a hawk going after me? That was. Wild in my front yard. Well, that was cool, kind of, to see the hawk come after. A nice trick when it's cold out is to keep your batteries in your pants pocket so they stay warm, if they fit in your pocket, I guess. If they don't fit in your pocket, you've got a weird sense of style. Get those cargo pants out. Left turns, man. Left rolls. I wish I could hear that wall tap. I like it when I can wall tap and just hear just a little tiny tap, then barely see it. I keep trying to do this as a combo, and I gotta walk to get that. One of the tricks I always do, a really good thing to practice, is if you have to walk to get your quad, and then fly it back line of sight. And it's such a great, it's a short little thing, but it's such great practice to do line of sight flying. Especially you can do some flips and rolls, and it helps you get your timing and your rates down and everything. And then when you're around other people, it's like this party trick. It's real impressive. But just that little tiny bit of line of sight every so often really helps the line of sight, but it also helps you get your timing down, like with your rates and everything. You can see the drone and when it's spinning and hear it and interact with that in a good way. It's great practice. Oh, my hands are freezing. I'm so tall, my circulation sucks, so my fingers and my toes get cold really fast. Cool. That felt like a, what do they call that? A gainer in real life? That's what it felt like. Not that I can do a gainer, I just watch other people do them and think it's amazing. Ooh. So yeah. The cold batteries do not fly as well. Something's wrong with the quad, it's all shaky. Shaky quad's good for you sometimes. Sounds like the motor's goofing up, or the props bench or something. It's all trilly. Let's not take off in the snow. Oh man, that one is really wet. Do I keep flying it, or do I think I keep flying it? I got it conformal coated, it should be okay, right? Let's see. Oh no, it's done. Shoot. Dang it, there it goes. Hopefully. If it doesn't come back after it dries off, I just killed 3 drones today and 2 yesterday. It's a rough week.